What's up, guys? Finally time for the Simplicity to get some color. She's underneath the tarp right now. But before we get over there, it's a horse trailer for some people, but for me, that open side right there is my painting station. No wind. Perfect place to get some color on the Simplicity. I'll uncover it for you. It's been drizzling for a couple days. I got her all tarped down, using her own tires to hold the tarp down. Over here, there she is. Got that beginning part of the chassis is all painted, needs to get black coated. Then that's all done. Need to put everything back together pretty much. Put these tires back. In here, we've got a air filter. Shroud is all primed up, needs to be painted black. Springs are in there. Just an update for you guys. Old engine that I'm going to use for a kind of Baja type, I don't know, rail car, go-kart type thing. Use this old 4-speed transaxle from a Montgomery Ward's tractor and that Briggs & Stratton engine. But anyway, back to what the title says. We're going to be painting the Simplicity. So let's head on to the paint room. Had to clean it out and put some newspaper down because it had hay all over it, but over there is the hood, and we're going to be painting the rear panel today with Magic Tractor and Implement Spray Enamel. The guy at the farm store told me it's really nice enamel for really nice color. Alright, so I'll find a place to put this camera. Windows are open so I don't die. And let's watch. Looks like a good place to set it out. Or maybe we'll put you right on the floor. Or on top of the hood. Sorry, it's taking so long. Trying to find a nice place to put the camera. Let's go with right here. What it looks like so far. Nice and glossy. I'm really happy with the color it's got. Let's see if I can give you an onboard view. Hopefully one can last me because that's all I bought. Seems like it will. And then after this dries for a couple days, got to take off. I don't know if you can see that, but there's tape under there hiding the stripes it had. Get to take that off and we'll be good to go. maybe if I can find a clear coat in a spray can, I'll put a clear coat on everything. Alright guys, video's already 5 minutes long. I gotta get the fine stuff done, like the sides over here that are still primed. Gotta get them colored. I'll keep you posted. Later.